Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to unlock the LG Stylo 4 quick, fast, and easy. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this unlocking and any other videos you want to see on my channel. Step you want to do when you want to unlock your phone, let's go ahead and get this out the way. You're going to go ahead and hit *#06#. That's going to find your IMEI. So go ahead and write this down. Keep it. Don't lose it, because you're going to need it in the next step in the process. Alrighty guys, and the next step in the process is you're going to go to theunlockingcompany.com. Here we go. Let's go ahead and head over to the website. Now what you want to do is you want to find what kind of manufacturing model you have. So this is the LG Stylo 4, so let's go ahead and take a look from the Cricket. So we go ahead and go to LG, then we go to model number. We're going to put in Stylo 4, real fast and easy. This website is theunlockingcompany.com. Definitely want to check them out for any of your unlocking needs. So here we go. All you got to do is go look, keep looking, LG Stylo. See, and they have lots and lots of phones, guys, so go ahead and definitely check them out in the description below to go ahead and unlock your video or unlock your phone, no matter which phone you have. Here we go, Stylo 4, boom, unlock now. So as soon as the phone comes out, they typically have it immediately up on the website. If they do not have your particular model on the website, you can also put unlock all, like, you know, any LG or any Motorola or any ZTE and whatnot. So go ahead and go. Your next step is going to be, you're going to pick where you got it from, and this particular model is a Cricket model. We're going to go ahead and head to next. Once you head to next, right there, your next step right here is actually going to be, you're going to put in your IMEI, as you can see here, your full name and your delivery email, where you want this email delivered at. So the average cost to the consumer on competitors' websites are $28.99. You save $15. So to unlock this LG Stylo 4 from Cricket Wireless is literally only $14, and it's 5 to 60 minutes, and you will have that. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll wait for that, and I'll get to the next step. The next step in the process is you're going to go ahead and unlock, not unlock, you're going to actually put in your handy dandy SIM ejector tool that you got with your phone. If you did not get this handy dandy SIM ejector tool, you can use a needle, you can use, you know, some earrings, and you go ahead and stick that in there. And I'm going to go ahead and put in a Metro PCS SIM card. Just put in any SIM card that's not from the carrier that you got it from, to go ahead and get the unlock prompt, which I will show you here in just a second. Alrighty guys, and once you actually go ahead and put your SIM card in, boot the phone back up, this is what you're going to get. SIM network unlock pin, attempt 1 out of 10. So you're going to go ahead and want to put in your unlock pin. So let's go ahead and show you that, and I'll show you what kind of screen pops up after that. Alrighty guys, and now as you can see, it says SIM network unlock successful. So once you have successfully unlocked your phone, now your phone is now compatible with any GSM carrier, such as Metro PCS, Simple Mobile, Cricket Wireless. I mean, really anything you really want to use, Freedom Pop, you know, Telcel America, whatever manufacturer phone you want to use, Consumer Cellular. So go ahead, like I said, go ahead and visit theunlockingcompany.com. Let them know that I sent you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like on the video if you did enjoy this video and whatnot. Let me know in the comments below what phone you would unlock, if you can unlock it, or what you're looking forward to getting unlocked in the future. And hopefully you guys have a great one. And also big shout out to theunlockingcompany.com for sponsoring the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.